guys, welcome back to Unleash. So we are now in 2024. So first of all, a very happy new year, and we all know that the new year is all about making positive changes and bringing about resolutions. So in this video I'm going to show you how you need to prepare for the coming year, and it's been like 2 weeks since the new year started. So abhi bhi like saal start hi hua hai, and to make the positive changes we need to get on track, and for that I'll be covering a few of the areas like physical glow up and vision board and other stuff. So do watch the video and see how I level up for this coming year, and I hope you find some inspiration in this video so that you also get inspired to change your life and bring about positive changes for the coming year and to make 2024 the best year ever. So I want to start the new year with grooming, and I'm going to get my eyebrows lol. I'm going to get my eyebrows plugged, and I'm going to go for that. Uske baad we'll do my nails. So let's just go.
This winter season is all about cherry color, and I'm going to apply the same on my nails. Any self-care video is incomplete without a skincare, and my skincare routine is actually the same that it has been from the past 2 years, and that is moisturizer, serum, eye cream and sunscreen if it's the daytime, followed by a lip balm. But I've also incorporated jade roller and gua sha, which is new to the routine. Even if you're at home, I think doing a little makeup will help you feel put together and it will make you more productive. So my everyday routine is very simple. I just put lipstick and blush, and I also put a little bit of concealer, and that's about it.
Guys, so I'm headed for the gym, and it's super cold today. I think it's like 6 degrees out there, but I haven't been to the gym since a while, so I have to be there because new year is all about making healthy changes. So I'll see you there. Bye.
2023 has been a really good year in terms of fitness, as I have been going to the gym since past 5 to 6 months, and I have noticed a lot of difference in my energy levels. I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week, and I think that is enough if you weight lift, because you will start to notice a difference in 1 month itself. जिम के साथ साथ it is equally important to take care of your health, and I have been drinking a smoothie after my gym workout, and it includes a lot of different veggies and oranges to make it tasty.
Guys, so I just filmed a video. This is why I'm all ready, and so as you guys know that new year is all about making new changes and changing your schedules. I think it is really important to keep a to-do list for the day so that you know what you want to do. And so what I do every year is that I buy a journal and I make plans for the year so that I'm in the right mindset and I know what I need to achieve for the coming year. Let's just write down everything that we need to do, and then I'll be showing my journal and what all I have planned for the coming year. Hello, this diary belongs to Isha Boget, and I also pasted some dry flowers. So let's get into journaling and really making our plan for the coming year so that we know what we need to do for the coming year and how we need to change our current lifestyle. So let's do it. So here's my journal, and I already wrote some of the section, but for this section I am going to add my goals for 2024 and what all I need to achieve for the months, so that I can be a bit more sorted of how I need to go about and what all I need to do for each of the month. And this journal is so cute because every month has its own doodling, and it is divided by weeks, so you can really write your intentions and agendas, new things to try, your priorities, everything that you're grateful for, and more. I just highly recommend this journal, and I will link it down below. So the new year is all about making a new vision for yourself, and I'll be making a vision board now, and I'll also show how you can create a vision board for yourself from your old newspapers or magazines and all. It's actually quite a fun process. Now obviously you can get the pictures printed out, but where's the fun in that? And I think finding pictures yourself from old magazines and stuff, that is a much more fun and nostalgic way. So let's just get into it. So I found this really old magazine. I think it's from 2006. Yeah, it's from October 2006, and I think it's going to be super fun and nostalgic process to go through this. So all you have to do is, for example, you see some words like you want to watch more of comedy shows, so you can cut this line out and use it on your vision board, and if you also want to see a change in yourself, so you can you cut out this line and use it on your vision board. Now I want clear skin, of course, so I'm underlining this so that when I get to the cutting part, I know what I need to get. Like for example, if you want to get more sporty, you can like cut this picture out and paste it in the magazine. And the fun part about getting pictures from magazines is that only you know what it means. Like people will not really know like what you want to like achieve. Lol. It's actually such a fun process to go through this because you don't really get to use magazines nowadays. We're also digital now, like, and this is from 2006, so it's been more than 15 years, I think. So yeah, it's such a fun way. I want to inculcate more of playing, learning, and laughing in my life in 2024, so I'm going to cut this section out, and I'm underlining everything that I want in my vision board. I love this picture because as you can see, it's such a serene place and the vibes look amazing, and I would love to experience a holiday like this, so I'll be using this. In this girl, her skin looks stunning, so I'll be taking her picture out. Now next up, I think this is an amazing thing to put on your vision board. Like who doesn't want to win a fortune, right? So like you can get this or post this, and you can write win a prize so that you can win some prizes in 2024. You never know, and you can get the winner one because we're all winners. Also, if you want to get more into the habit of reading, you can get this picture. I would love to get back into reading because I have been into a reading slumps in the past 2 years, and I want to get back to my reading routine. So I'm highlighting this. So I'm not going to bore you guys anymore. And if you want to manifest love, you can get something like this. Or if you want to go paragliding, I think it's called paragliding, right? I'm not sure. If you want to go paragliding, you can use a picture like this. And I think that's all for the showing section. Now I'll just cut the pictures and show you the final product. So it's kind of late now. I think it's 1 a.m. or something, and I'm actually quite tired. I think you can tell by my voice and by my face. So I did cut out all the pictures that I showed in the video, and it's time to put them together and assemble them, just to show you guys how you can curate your own vision board. And let's get into it. So this is the picture about reading the book, and I also found this one in another magazine. I also found this picture in a newspaper, like these two, and I want my bedroom to look like this. And I showed this one in the video, and this is the skin one. I'm going to find a 2024 and add it over here, and so far this is how it's looking. Now it has a lot of empty space at the side of it, so I'm going to find more relevant pictures and paste them over here. Okay, so to assemble these pictures together, I'm using these pins, and lol, I'm going to knock this uncle in his mind. Okay, and you can also add your own affirmations and your own keywords that you want to be in the coming year. And this is how it's looking so far, and it was such a fun process. I'm sure you will have a lot of fun doing this. So guys, for this coming year, I really want to get into the habit of gardening. I want to be a plant mom. So because I can't buy pets, like I do have fishes, but they're like sort of like non-being. So I went ahead and bought a lot of plants. Even my mom enjoys gardening, and I think it's a really mindful activity, and you can channel all your negative energy to something positive. So let's go and care for our little plants.
So, to buy the plants, I went to a nearby nursery, and there were so many different flowers and plants that I couldn't choose what to buy. But I ended up buying, I think, 5 or 6 different types of plants.
Just me and my plants. Guys, honestly, I am so obsessed with this makeup. I think it looks beautiful. So this is my OG style. Like I'm totally into dark colors, dark aesthetic. But for the coming year, my rebrand is all about pink. Like I have been the girliest girl growing up, and I think around college time, I completely changed my personality. Like I didn't change it, but I like started to like more of the dark colors and a bit of a gothic theme. But for the coming year, I want to get back into my girly self and embrace the princess pink theme, and really get into that vision, and like nurture my inner girl and my inner child. So that is going to be my rebrand. But aaj maine like to pay homage to my past self, I did this makeup. But for the coming year, I'll be doing a bit more of pinkish and girly style. So yeah.
So, that is it for the video, guys. I wish you a very happy new year, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.